Welcome back again to my channel. Please subscribe. This time I want to teach you on how to withdraw your money from bet9ja site, because some people are finding it difficult to cash out their earnings from the site. So I just have to make the video for everyone. So if you are finding it difficult to cash out your money from bet9ja site, so this is your main opportunity to learn it now. So we start. So after opening your bet9ja site, you click on account, click on cashier, click on withdrawal. The first one is deposit. If you want to deposit, you click on the first one. While this is second one, click on second one for withdrawal. You click on add bank account. Then you fill in your bank details. You type your account number. Also remember not to make mistake while putting the account number. Though after filling the account number, they will suggest the account name for you to be sure of what you are doing. Once you are done typing it, you choose an account type, either savings or current account. Then you choose a bank. After choosing the bank, select the bank. This one is Fidelity. So you press continue. Then what's the next step? Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more other updates. Then after filling it again, you click on that cashier again. Click on withdrawal. You click on first one, withdraw fund. Then at that place, you type the amount of naira you want to withdraw. If you like, the balance here is 8,600. If you want to withdraw all of them, or you like, let me just try with 6,000 naira. Already you are seeing the bank details and account number there. What's the next thing? You click on make withdrawal. You will see the money automatically to your bank account. Please consider to like this video. Consider to like this video. I just try to make this video for everybody, but say no to gambling. I just want to give update on how to cash out your money from betting sites. Remember to see they will send the confirmation code to you. You copy the confirmation code and paste it here. If you paste it, you click on confirm. Withdrawal has been processing. Your balance is 2,600, which means the money has been sent to that account. So like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any problem or if you don't understand the video very well, just comment on the comment section. We will try and help you out on it. We love you. Also, invite your people to join the class. Follow us on Facebook and also subscribe here to our YouTube channel. We love you.